Hi guys and welcome to True Talk with Tea. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. We are literally less than a week away from 2026 and obviously I have quite a few things to share with you. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel, and while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new quick video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, 2025. I can't believe we are literally standing at the end of 2025. Can I please start with this? I know it's gonna sound very cliche, but literally साल कहाँ निकल गया? A part of me wants to say कि पता ही नहीं चला, but a part of me also feels like I realized every single day. 2025 has totally been one of those years, at least for me. आप मुझे comments में बताना कि how was it for you, but literally it was one of those years for me. Like I said, कि एक पॉइंट पे तो ऐसा लगा कि ऐसे चला गया, एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड आई एम लाइक नहीं भाई, आई कैन रिकलेक्ट एवरी सिंगल डे, एवरी सिंगल मोमेंट फ्रॉम व्हेन द ईयर स्टार्टेड टू नाउ. And I'm shooting this video as of like December 22nd. Yeah, my god, it's been quite a roller coaster of a year. And I just thought that एक ऐसी फैमिली हमारी, like YouTube family and मेरी, so I just wanted to share truly what I felt throughout this year, because I think some of you might relate. It's been a heavy year in many aspects. It's been a very good year in many aspects, and let me just tell you, and then end तक आप मुझे बताना if you related or not, and irrespective tell me how your year was, okay? And some updates also होगा obviously. So like I said, first of all, every year end I do this. I always reflect back on the year, and मैं जितना सोचती हूँ ना साल कितना गंदा था, साल कितना ये था, कितना होता, but come year end ना, a part of me likes to first feel grateful कि कितनी चीज़ें और बुरी हो सकती थी नहीं हुई, और कितनी चीज़ें अच्छी भी हुई. So first things first, I want to thank God for bringing me till this year with my loved ones, because I think that is literally a blessing that cannot be taken for granted. So that is one thing I am eternally grateful for, and that is the only possible thing that kept me sane throughout 2025. Like even on my lowest moments, I think this one thought keeps bringing me back. So in case you are also going through it, please think about this moment. Now I remember साल के start में my family में ना एक joke था कि we had obviously a baby coming. My elder sister had a baby. I became a masi. Touch wood. One of the best things of 2025. My middle sister was to get married. She got married literally last month, November. And मेरी भी एक चीज़ होनी थी जो मैंने आई थिंक कई बार hints दिया था कि एक चीज़ होनी है, and खैर वो नहीं हुई. But these three things, and there were three quite big events obviously. एंड आई रिमेंबर हमने जोक बनाया था कि आर गूगल कैलेंडर इज़ सो पैक्ड फॉर दिस ईयर. उस हिसाब से मतलब कि अब कोई और चीज़ आएगी तो हम लाइक वी कांट अफोर्ड टू थिंक ऑफ इट ऑल्सो. दैट वॉज अ जोक ऑब्वियसली. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि दो मेन चीज़ें हो गई. अ लिटिल अपसेट कि मेरी वाली चीज़ नहीं हुई. ऑब्वियसली आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट बट ह्यूमन. एंड वो ऐसी चीज़ थी ना कि आई वुड से लिटरली लाइक फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट आई बीन वांटिंग इट सिंस ईयर्स. ओके, आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट राइट नाउ, बट सिंस ईयर्स. एक होती है ना कोई चीज़ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा दिल से चाहिए होती है, and you're just not getting it. And finally this year, three times, but particularly majorly 2 times, वो चीज़ लिटरली मेरे हाथ से आके ऐसा लगा है छिन गई है. एंड इट वॉज so painful. I cannot talk about those moments, and I don't want to, because I think I'll end up not in a good mood. But yeah, it was pretty painful. It was also one reason why I had not wanted to give CFA this year, because वो एक चीज़ के लिए मैं काफ़ी टाइम से वेट कर रही थी, and I was like, you know what, no, this I will do that first and not anything else. I wanted to give that time to that one thing, but खैर जो भगवान ने चाहा. But yeah, that I think that disappointment was something that really shook me, and shook me very bad. I think this year, while I'm eternally grateful for so many beautiful things that happened, like I said, number one, having my family, number two, being a masi, my sister got married, देखने में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ में, like people keep telling me, why are you grumbling, you got YouTube पे भी 10,000 हो गए, अच्छी बात है. And I'm very grateful for it. That's what I said, and I don't want to sound like that ungrateful person, but I think we as humans don't realize कि बाहर से जाए इंसान कुछ भी दिखाए, sometimes you're just fighting some battles that are so painful, and it becomes so hard, especially not taking away, because I love my job, I love being a content creator, but on some days it is truly hard, and it makes me realize, because I used to have this image कि content creators के तो मज़े हैं, but it's a horrible feeling when you're dying inside, or when you're crying all night, and then suddenly you just have to come and be like, करना पड़ता है, सबको करना पड़ता है. एंड इट्स जस्ट, I don't know, this year in particular, maybe some of you on YouTube might have realized, some of you not, but how, there was a certain ache in my life that I don't want to get too much into it, because like I said, I want to get into the joys of 2025. But 2025 truly is a year that I don't think I will forget for the next long time of my life, because it made me see a version of myself that I possibly do not want to see again. And I say this very less. While it gave me a lot of joys, it showed me my most horrible side, I feel. I'm a person who usually has a lot of control over emotions, but I think this year, I even snapped a little bit more, and I don't appreciate it, because that's not who I am as a person. Of course, sometimes we all get angry, but in general, my way of anger is also different, and this year it came out in very different ways, which I do not appreciate it. I do not like it. I almost did not recognize that person. My work was a very big escape, so thank you so much for everybody who gave me that escape. Truly means a lot. But I think a lot of you would realize, or would relate rather, that sometimes लाइफ इज़ जस्ट सो पेनफुल ऑन द इनसाइड, हम किसी को बता भी नहीं पाते, कभी कभी बेसिक सी चीज़ होती है, इवन अ फेलियर फॉर दैट मैटर, इवन माई लास्ट ईयर्स फेलियर दैट कपल्ड ऑन टू दिस ईयर, ओ माई गॉड, आई थिंक आई डेंट रियलाइज इट देन, बट इट डज अफेक्ट यू बाय ऑल ह्यूमन्स, एंड इट रियली डज अफेक्ट. समटाइम्स हम किसी को बता भी नहीं पाते, हमें की करनी पड़ती है, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू शो द वर्ल्ड वे वीक, बट डैम इट्स हर्टिंग. And I think 2025 was one of those years for me. It in some places was actually hard to laugh and be around, because no, in the inside I had disappointments, I had ache, I don't even know why, but sometimes it is what it is. And if in case that was how your 2025 was, I just want to let you know that you are not alone. And I read something so beautiful, so I just want to share that with you, in case you did not get something in 2025, or you wanted something and you did not get it. I read something so beautiful that भगवान जी जो होता है ना, he is quite a cute to that way, कि अगर कोई इंसान रो दे उनके सामने, या कोई फॉलोअर उनका, कोई डिवोटी, इफ़ यू क्राई, इफ़ यू ट्रूली क्राई एंड ट्रूली आस्क फॉर समथिंग फ्रॉम गॉड, तो भगवान जी का दिल ना ऐसे वो हो जाता है रेस्टलेस टाइप, एंड ही इज़ लाइक he'll give it to you, because he can't see people in tears and in pain. But if you're in so much of tears, in so much of pain, so much of desperation, and I've literally begged करके भगवान जी से कुछ मांगा, and still भगवान जी is not giving that to you. Imagine, मतलब such a soft hearted person अब आपको नहीं दे रहा है, हो सकता है वो चीज़ आपके लिए कितनी ख़राब हो, and honestly this is the one thought that kind of pulled me through 2025, even though I've had my moments of like, भगवान जी यार हद करता हूँ, and I've had very bad moments of this, but still I would say that शायद वो चीज़ मेरे लिए अच्छी नहीं थी, शायद वो चीज़ आपके लिए अच्छी नहीं थी. सो इन केस दैट हैपेंड विद यू, आई होप दैट दिस थॉट कैन somehow anchor you. I know some of y'all have gone through something possibly even shittier than I possibly could imagine, and I'm sorry for that. I truly am. And I hope that God gives you the strength. And yeah, honestly, it's year end. I think the best thing we can do is just, or the best thing I want to do right now is just let go of a lot of things that happen in 2025. And I truly hope and pray that I see a better version of myself, that I get to show you a better version of myself in 2026, and that I always have my loved ones. But yeah, I just felt like 2025 was one of those years. I think even in terms of, like I already mentioned, CFA, I was very clear कि 2025 तो हो ही नहीं सकता, because कुछ चीज़ें मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटीज़ में थी. And I think that hurts more sometimes, when you even delay other things for thinking कि नहीं वो एक चीज़ होनी है, फिर वो एक चीज़ भी नहीं होती ना, तो थोड़ा सा बुरा लग जाता है. But I guess it is what it is, and we have to make peace with it. I wrote a few lines for 2025. I don't know if I want to read it out or not, but I will, because why not? आप मुझे बताना comments में कैसा था. Dear 2025, you taught me to let go, accept the change, and go with the flow. I did as told, but some days I truly felt the blow. You gave me joys that I can't explain in words, yet you took a part of me, the void of which still hurts. I had my loved ones with me, and that truly helped I had my loved ones with me, and that truly helped take away the curse. But I will never forget those cold nights that I spent wiping my tears. You gave me achievements that will always stay close to my heart, along with some disappointments that actually made me realize that sometimes smiling too can be art. Dear 2025, thank you for the smiles, the joys, the lessons, and the tears. Because every moment, good or bad, I will always hold dear. And with that, guys, we are pretty much done with 2025. Of course, एक और वीडियो आएगा, one more long video, and बाकी shorts भी आएंगे. But happy end of December, happy end of 2025 to all of you. I truly hope that 2026 brings the smiles that you want, and if it doesn't, then I hope it stays in your heart कि भगवान जी जो करते हैं genuinely अच्छे के लिए करते हैं. एंड वो अच्छा अभी हमें नहीं दिखा होगा, मुझे भी नहीं दिखा है. आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग, भगवान जी दिखाओ क्या अच्छा था उस बात में वो नहीं देने के लिए. बट मुझे पता है वो दिखा देंगे, क्योंकि भगवान जी इज़ वेरी क्यूट टू दैट वे. ही विल नॉट डिसअपॉइंट मी, ही विल नॉट डिसअपॉइंट यू ऑल ऑल्सो. जस्ट हैव दैट फेथ. एंड इस फेथ के साथ लेट्स गो टू 2026. एंड अगर 2026 चलते चलते भी आप मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे तो सोचो मुझे कितना बुरा लगेगा. ऑलरेडी द ईयर हैज़ नॉट बीन ईजी, सो प्लीज़ बी काइंड. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys every single day in shorts and every Wednesday and Friday in long video content. If you like this particular video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.